Hi, my name is Christina Dunny. It's 5820. I was born and raised in Merritt Island, Cocoa Beach, Florida, Surfer Girl at heart. I currently reside in the nation's capital in Washington, D.C. I moved here to be with my love of my life. I have many hobbies that keep me busy that I've been following and doing since a very young age. I love surfing. I've been dancing since the age of 3 with all different styles of dance. Love cooking, all different type of ethnicities of cooking is the best. Not a huge baker though. And I am training for my first half marathon. Wish me luck. I am engaged. We are planning to get married this November. Fingers crossed if that works with everything that's been going on these days. I have 2 fur babies. I have my 6-year-old Gentle Giant Bull Mastiff named Crixus, and I have my 14-year-old Yellow Lab named Phoenix. Love them so much. I've been in the medical field since I graduated high school. I started as a CNA, and then I moved to the OR and was a surgical technician. Then I spent 10 years as a nurse in surgical trauma, and the last 5 years in the ICU. I am not a full-time student because I have a pretty heavy workload right this moment. I am taking this class to prove that I can carry on and sustain an academic workload again after all these years, because I'm applying to nurse anesthetist school this year. It is a DNP program. It might be challenging, but I'm ready to do it. Bring it on. I've always been fascinated ever since I was a little girl about the whole science of anesthesia and how that's done. I look forward to getting to know everybody. Thanks for listening.